Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up the battery powered security light bought from PowerBee. When you take the light out of the box, inside the box it comes with instructions and screws for later use. For this light to operate, you are going to need 4 D-cell batteries. The first thing you are going to do is remove the light from its stand. You're then going to pinch the 2 sides together and it will simply come off like that. I have now placed the batteries inside of the light and you're going to do the same thing. Get the light and simply just click it down like that, so each side's are strapped down. On the side of the light is an on and off button and you switch it up to turn it on. After you've done each of those steps, you simply are going to place the light into the stand and twist it in a clockwise direction so that it is secured on. And that is how you set up the battery powered security light bought from PowerBee.